Real talk, real talk, yeah. Can't rapping to me, you're nothing but back in the beat. Can't rapping to me, you're nothing but back in the beat. I try and talk to you lot, is it? Let you lot know. Can't rapping to me, ain't nothing but back in the beat. Putting it back in its place, attacking the need. Distracted by nothing but accuracy. What an imbalance to lead. I come from a fallon, it can't be a challenge to me. Talent the least, son, I might have to delete this. And I'm still rapping with features. Saying them niggas is feces, humbling creatures, ramming my reapers under my sneakers, hundreds of grievances, and I'm running from heedlessness. Man, these niggas ain't seen this shit. You coming for me, you missed, and I'm drinking on relive, king. See my OG said our sisters, they need to stop it. Car the nightclubbers, they church, and Cardies, they profit. I never stopped to think for a second just how he dropped it. I went and done a couple of cars at home cause I'm a boffin. Enough of the cars, but I ain't copped the Bentley with the drop yet. We come up hard, but still I need some Fendi in my pocket. And one of my dogs just done it for 100, now he locked in. And one of my hearts left me, I sorta needed a hug then. Pass hard, I'm a rocket. Pass hard, but we locked in. No, I'd laugh for the losses. Half heart, so we topped it. Mardi Gras for the cocky. Art class for the bosses. Dardy, nigga, fuck it. Look, is this a midlife crisis where the pigs don't like us? Still I gotta dig my pie if I wanna live mine's righteous. Or is this another sign or test to test my likeness? Side I chose title bride just trying to get by. What's that? Another snake? Another fake friend sliding? Another ting trying to make plans but she don't make ends round here? Put out my side cause I don't want you to dictate my shit. How I've been living avoiding the prisons and still trying to get mine rightly. Cause either way I still gotta get to the money, don't matter the season. They're fiends they play but I wanna get to the money without having reasons. It's easy they say, I know it is when you got it and you don't really need it. I need to pray cause I don't wanna give up on what God's giving receiving. Blessings like I don't wanna tell him I'm leaving. Now who you believing? Wrestling but never pursuing no demon. Cause soon it be leaving. Ready but I only leave when I'm needed. What you telling me, GG? My niggas is felons so I don't want see them. Unless it's a peace thing. Spinning but at least I am going up higher and not just repeating. There's no one that's ever been better than me and I only use rap as a deacon. The currency couldn't be loving, the hood ain't nothing if you were not eating. Man, I'm good with the Jew and the Christian and even the heathen as long as we reasoning.